So good morning.
Good morning.
I are good night or good evening because you have night time.
Yeah, for me it's almost midnight. Yeah.
What
But for
time is
you
it
it's
right?
late. It's 11:30.
It's going to be midnight.
Yeah.
Mm, uh, Here it's 6:30.
So early. So
Yes.
early to take class,
Uh,
and you're already dressed for work.
yes. No, I dress for class right now because
Mhm.
actually I cannot. I don't like to wear a tie or suit for work because I cannot write on the board or to walk inside the class. Okay, I have some words to discuss. Alien,
Alien?
yes, alien.
Okay. This can mean two things. It can mean like outer space alien, from different planets, or an
Hmm.
alien can be someone from a different country.
Do you believe in alien?
No, I don't believe in aliens.
We are in same boat. I don't believe in alien. That's it's. I think this is math.
I just
Yes.
think that we haven't seen them, and if they wanted
Uh,
to, if they were real, then we would see them.
uh, I can't believe see anything if you. I can't believe in anything if you cannot see. Unfortunately.
Yeah, yeah, I don't believe in
Mm.
ghosts either.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, no.
Among. What mean about among?
Among,
Yes, among.
yeah, among means like around. So
Mm,
these are my group of friends. I am among them. It just means you're
mm,
around these people or around this thing.
mm. What is the difference between the among and middle?
So among and between. Um,
Mm,
okay. Among and between are kind of similar opposites. So middle would mean that there's here and here, or you are in the center, right? You are in the center of these.
but the among and middle, both of them the center or center.
Among,
So sorry, yeah,
yeah,
American people
among is
say
not
center.
center.
Ah,
Among is just one of them. So if you think of like the military, he was
mm,
among the troops. He's not in the middle of the troops. He's just among them. He's out there. Whereas it doesn't have that idea of being in the center, but middle has that idea of being in the center.
mm.
Mhm.
That's mean among and the middle. It's different.
They're different, yeah.
Mm. Chart. That
Chart.
mean is
So
list
as
of
a
some information.
mhm. So as a noun, a chart can be a way to show information, but as a
Mm,
verb, to chart, to chart is the verb, the action of charting. So hospitals are constantly charting the patients, right? Like this was his heartbeat this morning, and then at 6 o'clock, and then at 12 o'clock, and then at 6 o'clock, right? They're charting. They're making a visual representation of information.
mm. We use chart to see we see how we had improved.
The what?
That we used a chart to see how had to improved.
Oh, how to improve. Yes. Uh-huh.
Mm,
Like if you're
uh,
thinking of grading charts or behavior charts, yeah, that can be used to improve.
mm.
Mhm.
Cloud, cloud,
Clout?
cloud.
Clout
It's
or cloud?
cloud. Yes, cloud. CLOUD. That's mean a group of water uh, in the sky.
Yes.
The
Clouds
sky
are
is
in the sky.
the sky is full of with clouds.
Yes. Yeah.
Mm. Comprehend.
Comprehend is understand.
That's mean Is there a difference between the comprehend and understand, or same? Or we can say I'm not comprehend, or we can say I'm not understand. Both of them correct?
Yeah, I think comprehend is a little more formal. So when we talk about reading comprehension, so I'm going to give you a test for your reading comprehension. What that means is, do you understand the reading? It's just a little bit more formal, a little less common usage, but they mean the exact same thing. Yeah.
Describe.
Describe.
That's mean to describe, to write something or to someone, or describe something for someone.
Yeah, to describe it, to talk about it, to give details, right? This cup has pictures of flamingos. The background is.
Flamingo. I'm really interesting in flamingo. I like him flamingo. It's
Oh,
really,
really?
especially with especially with the one with the red feathers and white.
Uh,
Mm.
yeah. But anyway, it's just
Uh,
giving details about something is describing, right?
that's mean. I describe a flamingo for Miss Sarah.
Mhm. Excellent.
Mm.
Yes, you described flamingos.
Uh,
Mhm.
ever, ever,
Ever,
ever. Sorry,
ever.
ever,
Yeah.
ever.
Uh, ever is.
Anytime, we can say.
I think it's like infinity, right? Forever. I will love you forever. This meeting is
Thank
taking
you,
forever.
thank
Mhm.
you.
Yeah, sorry. Example. Yeah. But I think it's the idea of
Uh,
like time that continues without end. So the there was a very famous movie, the ever ending story. Was that it?
mm.
But it's
Going
about like
skiing last winter was the most fun I have ever had.
the most fun you have ever had.
Yes.
Yeah. So that would be of all the time you've experienced, of all the time of ever,
Mm.
all the time, that was the funnest
Yes.
moment. Mhm.
Phil,
Fun?
Phil, that's
Oh,
Phil,
fail? Fail.
fail, fail,
Fail. Uh-huh.
fail. That mean
To it's the
to
opposite of success, right? So if you
do.
failed the test, you got a bad grade, right? You did not
We can
fail.
depends fail opposite success.
Opposite of success, yes.
Mm.
Stop
That
biting.
means since he failed oh, Catwoman.
Oh, she
You
will
like
not stop
cat?
biting. She's driving me insane. I love her, but she won't stop biting me. Stop it. You're so cute, but you're so bad. You're ruining all my classes. Go. Go play. As soon as my daughters go to bed, she turns into a demon. She, when my daughters are awake, she is an angel. She is so sweet. And then they go to bed, and then
Mm.
I get all of her bad energy. So
Friendly,
friendly.
friendly. A
Uh-huh.
person who is behaving in a pleasant, kind way toward someone.
Mhm. Yeah.
Mm.
Friendly is
The
they're treating you like a friend, right? They're treating you
Mm.
openly,
We can
kindly.
say we can say Miss Sarah has a friendly cat.
Yeah, but she's not friendly to me. She's friendly to my kid. Yeah, but yeah, you could
Mm.
say that.
Mm. Great, great. How do you spell these words? Great,
Grade. Mm-hmm.
great. A
Your
grade
grade
is a
on a
score
test.
or mark given to someone's work.
Yes. Hmm.
Mm.
And this
I
also
managed
can
to
be
get
the verb
mm.
form to grade.
Yes, a verb. Mm.
So it can be a noun or a
I
verb.
imagine to get good grades on my report card.
Yes.
Mm. Instant,
Innocent?
instant,
Oh, instead.
instant,
Yeah. Instead means
instant.
it's like a
That
choice.
means
You
to
could have
place a different. Mm.
so you could have this instead of this. right?
Mm.
One or the other. You have this instead of this.
Do you like coffee instant tea, or would you like coffee instant tea?
Would you like coffee instead of tea? Yes. Kind
Yes.
of the idea of like substituting one thing for another, right? Instead of cheese, I would like extra pickles on my hamburger, something like that.
Mm. Library.
Library.
It's a place where you go to read books.
Yes, library.
Librarian, that's a person who is charged about the library.
Yes, so the person who works at the library is a librarian.
Planet.
Planet.
Yes, planet is large around thing in the space. Space.
Yeah. So it's Earth, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, planets, right?
Okay, what's your favorite planet?
I don't know if Pluto qualifies anymore, but he was my favorite. I think Neptune's pretty cool too.
Report. Report. That means is something students write to for school.
Yeah, a report can be for school. It can be for work. It can be anything that is, like written down news about something, right? So you could have the weather report.
Karen had the trouble writing her report.
Report.
That's mean report. That's mean Karen has a problem with the writing the report. Several. I have class with Miss Sarah several times.
So more than one. I have several kids, or like in your example, I've had class several times, more than once, more than one time.
Solve.
To find the answer.
That means people solve the math problems in the school.
Yes, but you can also solve a mystery, right?
Solve a mystery?
Solve a mystery. Oh, it's just finding the answer. Finding the answer.
Suddenly.
Send me? Oh, suddenly means very quickly.
Suddenly.
Very quickly.
Suddenly.
Without warning. Suddenly, the tornado ripped them apart. Like very quickly with no warning. Suddenly.
Suddenly. Suppose. That's mean to make an extra choose.
It's like a guess. I suppose, or it's like I guess.
That's mean not that's in not sure. For if you say suppose. I suppose the weather it's raining, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, that's a good way of thinking of it. Yeah, like no certainty.
For example, I suppose Sarah loves me, but I'm not sure.
I guess you'll have to keep supposing. Yeah.
Universe.
Universe.
Sometimes I'm confusing with the universe and university.
Yeah.
I focus it with the LY university. That's the group of college, and university that means space. View.
What you see out your window is your view.
Yes, to view, to look at something. For example, Sarah view me through the internet.
But it's also not just the action of seeing, but what is being seen. So the view of out my window is the park.
Thank you very much.